Aerospec provides inspection services, proprietary computer vision and cloud-based asset management solutions that are secure and 10 times more efficient than traditional methods. Through machine learning and automated reporting, we reduce labor costs, increase efficiency, and analyze your data for actionable field insights, helping you focus on other business priorities. Aerosolar, our interactive platform and online portal, helps you easily track and pinpoint module anomalies at all levels of project scale. Aerosolar is easy to use. With 3 simple steps, we automatically generate actionable reports that streamline your asset maintenance process. First, upload your data into Aerosolar. Second, select Analyze and let our platform handle the rest. Aerosolar will automatically notify you when the analysis is complete. Third, view your report. Our comprehensive inspection report helps inform your team as you prepare them for deployment and maintenance. Our 3-step process is designed to streamline your workflow, from setting up a proactive maintenance plan and customizing reports to categorizing and prioritizing issues for repair.
Aerospec's platform is incredibly easy to use. We've implemented it as part of our preventative maintenance inspections and also have used it for commissioning reports. We can quickly and easily identify issues and geolocate them using Aerospec's platform. Then our technicians are able to take that information out into the field and very quickly find problems and remediate them, saving our technicians a lot of time out in the field when they are fixing problems.
Through our predictive analytics, we create value by preventing small issues from becoming catastrophic losses. Visit us today at aerospec.us and learn more about how we can maximize your asset performance through experience-based innovation.